Welcome to Online Money YouTube channel. Today we will talk about our jewelry ERP software. So this is the dashboard of the software. So first of all, we have to add our firm here, like our company details from here. Here we will enter all our registration number, shop name, firm description, address, city, phone number, mail ID. Also, if it is a private limited or it is a head office, branch office, you can also mention here. If you want to show the payment details on the invoice, you can also show from here, and also you can put your logos on the invoice through here. For example, I have taken three types of firms here. Like I have taken the jewel firm, so you can, this is a dummy firm, you can enter like this with all the logos and all the information. These information will appear on your invoice which you will provide to the customer. Now we will proceed to our second panel, that is control panel. So here we will see your daily rates panel. We will enter all our daily rates for gold and silver, and according to that it will appear on our whenever we add our stock or we sell any product. For example, I am taking an example here. I am taking gold and rate I am taking 55,000 according to 10 grams. So I click on submit. So you can see it has been updated here on the above, and also there is a list. You can also see the report. Whenever you update any rate, it will appear here with the date and time here. Now we will proceed to our home panel here. On home panel, you can also search your existing customers and also add new customers. For example, I am taking in customer Alex, and I am taking the mobile number of the customer. So you can also search through these fields also. You just have to enter city name, and also you can add customers and suppliers. Supplier means wholesalers, you can also add from here. I am taking a customer, and here you can see a home panel. Home panel means if you want to see any previous pending transaction of the customer, you can see from here. This is a sale panel where you can sell any product to the particular customer, and this is the Udhar panel. Udhar panel means if you want to add any credit debit amount of the customer. For example, I am clicking on sale panel. So we will be redirected to our sale panel. So we just have to scan the barcode here, and we just have to redirect it to our payment panel. So here we can see, if you want to enter more details of the customer, you can just click on the customer and click on the update button here, and you can update all the information of the customer like images or date of birth and all, and also you can take the signature of the customer. Now we will proceed to our second panel, that is our stock panel. Here this is the second panel. Here we will add all our stocks, that is fine stock, imitation means artificial jewelry, or raw metal stock like biscuits and all raw metal type, or loose crystals you can add from here. So this is the jewelry stock, retail stock panel. So here are two types of options, that is retail and wholesale. Wholesale mean if you want to add your stock in a bulk, you can add in wholesale stock, or if you want to add your stock in one by one and want to tag it, you can add in retail stock. So I am taking here retail stock. So this is a bill date, that means the opening balance of the day, and this is a firm name, this is a metal, and today's date which were added through the setting panel. So this is a product code. For example, I am taking a ring, and here is a post ID. Post ID ring 1 means we have added, this is our first item and first ring of this software. So this is a brand name. For example, if you want to show these information on the tag panel, or seller name or brand name, if you have any brand name, you can show it on the tag panel. So this is a counter name 1 2 3 4, you can also mention from here. For example, I am taking here 1. So this is the images. If you want to show the catalogs to the customer, you can just have to attach the image with this. So for example, I am taking an image here. So I am taking a category of ring, and I am entering L ring, for example ladies ring. So quantity I am taking 1, gross weight I am taking 10 grams. You can also add here with kgs and milligrams also. So here your net will appear here, and I am taking a purity of 91.6 and 92% purity, like 22 carat. So this is a wastage. If supplier has charged you any wastage, you can add here, like I am adding 2% of wastage. So the final purity will be 93.6. So according to this, it will calculate your fine weight and final fine weight. So there is an option of CW. CW means your customer wastage. If you want to add any value added, or if you want to add any additional charges to the customer for polishing and all, you can add here, or else you can add here 0. So this is labor charges and making charges. If supplier has charged you any labor charge, you can add here, like if you want to add here like 100 rupees per gram per piece fixed price, you can add from here. Making charges you can also add here, like if you want to add here making charges, you can also add here like per gram per piece percentage wise also. If there is a diamond in the ring, there is a stone button here, so just have to click here. For example, I am taking an idea of diamond, so I am taking DIY, so I am taking here diamond here, name. So you can add the clarity, color, certification numbers, size, shape and quantity also. So for example, I am taking 1 carat of diamond here, and I am taking some purchase rate like 2000 I am taking here per carat, and I am selling it to 4000 rupees. So you can see here a checkbox, which means you can also less the weight of the diamond in the net weight. So when I will click on this, the net weight has been changed and it will automatically adjust the diamond weight also, and your rate has been also updated here. You just have to click on add stock. So like this, if you want to add more items, like if it has same purity and same ring is available but gross weight is different, you just have to click on gross weight and click on existing item. So one by one your stock will be added in just few seconds. For example, I am taking 8 grams and I am clicking on existing item. So this will also reduce your time, and also you can add your stocks easily. So in the below you can see here, click here to add products. Just have to click on this and your stocks will be redirected to your reports. So this is the third panel. Here you can see all the reports regarding a fine stock. So these are the reports here. You can see all the gold stock, silver stock from here. In the above you can see the 33 grams is available, and when I will click on this, so it will appear here all the details in the reports form. You can also search from here. If you want to add how many rings are available, you can also search from here. Also you can export it to PDF and Excel file. When we will click on the back button, here you can see a jewelry panel option. Here you can see all the items which were added with the images. If you want to show this to the customer, you can also show this from here. Also you can set the ranges here. If you want to add any range from 10,000 to 20,000 rupees, you can add ranges here, and also you can add here item category and item name. So on the more details, it will show all the more details of the product. If I will click on the product, it will show the image of the item. And here you can see it will also show you the estimate of the item like this. So whatever the item we have added in the add stock, the barcodes are automatically generated. So if I will click on the tail labels, so we can see all the barcodes have been generated here, and also there is an option like you can also drag and drop from this. For example, I am dragging it, I am setting this barcode according to my convenience. So here you can see, for example, I am taking a net weight and gross weight I am showing on the barcode. You can also customize your barcode according to you and also set it according to your convenience. Here you can also show 12 types of options on the barcode. For example, if I want to show any more details, like if purity I don't want to show here, I will click on the none and the purity will not appear here, and it will apply to all the barcodes which till now we have added. So if I want to show the purity also, so you can add from here. For example, here is the purity option and it will appear here. You can also set it from here. And there are two types of options you can see in the below, like direct print and PRN print. Direct print means you have to directly print it from the hardware, and PRN print means there is a setting in the hardware which our technical team will do all the settings, and you just have to click on this and the barcode will appear according to, and all the details will be like this which I have created here. So PRN print is mostly the easiest way if we will compare it to the direct print. In PRN print, we will choose our hardware. It already has a setting of the hardware, but in direct print, we have to choose our hardware there. So I suggest that PRN print is the most feasible option. So in this video, I have shown you how we will add our fine stock in the software, and also how we will create our tags and forms. For more details, please like and subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you.